Hello, lovely people. Welcome. Thank you all for tuning in to Vibe's Kitchen, where so heavenly recipes are made. Today, I'm happy to share with you how I make my okra stew. Let's get started. I have my king prawns ready. I've also got my cow foot, tripe, and crab ready, and it's about to get straight onto the cooker top to start steaming. Look at that. It's so beautiful. I've got my smoked and dried herring fillet, smoked and dried catfish fillet. I have my homemade salted beef, and this tastes so amazing. I like it in my stews and in my soups. I've also got sea bass as a fish for this recipe. You can always use any other fish that you prefer. I have my locust beans, and guys, this is so nutritious. So I always like it in my stews, especially when I'm making okra stew and okra soup. So now let's get busy. I'm adding salt to the meat. I'll go ahead and add my Maggi tablet and then add garlic and ginger paste. I'm now spraying black pepper on it. This is so aromatic. I'm adding a little bit of water to help with the steaming process. Okay, and I'm adding ginger powder. Wow. So now, guys, let's cover it up for it to continue steaming. We are now working on our okra and the other vegetables. I've chopped my okra nicely and now I'm cutting my pepper and then I'll go ahead and cut my tomatoes. I've also cut my garden eggs already and this is going to be so delicious, guys. Today, I'm not going to grind anything or blend anything. I'm only doing chopping, okay? So I'm chopping all my vegetables instead of blending them, okay? I just want us to be quick with our cooking today and leave the kitchen early, okay? So we are not wasting my time. That's why we are doing only the chopping process, okay? Now this meat smells amazing and it's almost ready. Now let's check it out and see if it's ready. Oh wow, it's already ready. So guys, let's put that aside and start our stew. I'm using palm oil and I'm adding my salted beef. Oh my goodness, this is already smelling amazing. I have now added my chopped fresh white onions. Oh my goodness, guys, have you ever tried this before? Have you ever added salted beef to your oil before to start your stew? Try this recipe and you will love it. It's so amazing and the aroma is so on top. My Ghanaians will understand and attest to this. Wow, this is so amazing. You can as well use salted tilapia or Kobe if you want, or you can even add both. Oh, this is heavenly. So, guys, our okra is on the other side and is cooking. We go ahead and then add the rest of our vegetables to the oil. I'm adding the green and red scotch bonnet pepper. Mmm, smells so natural. I love it. What an amazing aroma. Mm. So after some minutes, we go ahead and add our ginger and garlic paste to enhance the aroma and the flavor. And then go ahead and add the chopped tomatoes. This is quick and easy recipe, but guys, the result is all you need to impress your friends, your families, and loved ones. I've now added my locust beans or dawa dawa, and again, you need to stir to combine everything nicely. We are going ahead to add the broth that we got from the meat. Guys, you can't just throw away the broth. It smells so good and it tastes amazing. Okay? So after that, you keep on stirring as always in order for it not to burn from the bottom and also to help you combine everything beautifully. Let's cover it up for it to continue steaming. So we are back and now we are adding our fresh green bell peppers and also our red bell peppers. This is so colorful and it's going to add more flavor to our stew. We've now added our smoked and dried herring fillet and catfish fillet. Oh my goodness, this stew is so full of nutrients. It's so packed with simple, nice nutrients. Yes, now I'm adding my fish because I want the fish to also absorb this beautiful and nice flavor from the stew that I'm making. Okay, so now let's check on our okra, and it's doing good so far. Yeah, that's it. Lovely people, if you're enjoying this video so far, please give your girl a big thumbs up. Don't forget to comment, share this video to friends and families to also watch this video and be inspired. Okay, these things encourages me to bring you more appetizing recipes. Okay, so now we are checking on our fish, and we are turning the fish over for the other side to also absorb some of the amazing flavor from the stew. And we have to do this with care and patience so that the fish does not break apart. This is so good, guys. Look at that. The fish has already and really absorbed much of the flavor. So now we're taking the fish out of the stew so that it doesn't break. The fish will come in later on when the stew is done or almost done. Okay. So now we're going to put the fish aside and add in our prawns. Keep on stirring periodically in order for it not to burn. Okay, this is so beautiful and it tastes amazing. The house is so heavily. Oh my goodness, guys, please try this recipe and bring me the feedback. We are now adding our crab, our cow foot, and then our tripe to the stew. We are almost at the final stage, so keep on watching in order not to miss a step. Keep on stirring to combine everything beautifully and then to avoid it being burned from the bottom. This is smelling amazing and I cannot wait to finish this stew. I'm adding my final seasonings to the stew, and guys, you can always use any seasoning of your choice, okay? But I've just added my mixed herbs, and now I'm grating some nutmeg to the stew, and then my final one is the onga seasoning powder. I'm going ahead to stir it again to mix everything nicely. So if you are new on my channel, are you inspired yet? If you are, please click on the red subscribe button, click on the bell button to get more updates from us and also to join this beautiful family. All right. Wow, look at the crab and everything well combined together. Guys, we are almost done. I need it to cook a little bit and then we add our okra. Wow, we're adding our okra. Ta-da-da! The stew is done. Wow, look at that. Isn't this beautiful? Hmm. Adding spinach to the stew and then fresh red onion. We are done with the stew, guys. Okay. Don't be confused. Why are you confused? I have a confession to make. Okay. So let me tell you a story. Mhm. When I made my stew and I was about to add my okra, something happened. So I couldn't continue with the filming of the okra stew. So I had to stop. And then few days later, I made another stew, but I followed the same recipe using a different kind of meat and fish. Okay. So that's it. Don't be confused. You can always recreate yours or follow the same recipe to achieve an amazing okra stew result. I love this recipe and I love the fact that this time on I use mackerel and hake. These are the kind of fish that you want in your okra stew. They are amazing. They taste so good. Guys, we are done. Thank you all for watching and I believe you are inspired. If you are new, hey, please subscribe and join this beautiful family. I love you all. Until I see you all again in my next video, stay blessed, stay safe, and be good. Mwah. Take care. Enjoy. Bye bye.